Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Chirag. Today I am going to show you how we can run Docker grid with Jenkins. In previous video I have shown you that how we can set up Docker grid with selenium grids, and now I'm going to show you how we can run Docker selenium grid with Jenkins. So in previous video I am doing some manual steps such as run Docker compose up by running terminal command. Then I will execute run test scripts manually, and then I have to again run any this command docker compose down command from terminal. So in this video we are seeing that I'm going to do all the things by using Jenkins. So how we can do, I just show you. So this is my code which I am referring in previous video. So you can see there is same code which is before test and parameter. So those guys who do not watch my previous video, you can go and watch this video. I have explained all this code in this in this video. I am just to show you how we can run through Jenkins. So in this video I created one step, that is before shoot. So what before should do, it runs before test method, and I am launching my docker compose up command through run terminal through command prompt. So this is the same command which we have to do manually in previous video, and after that I am using after shoot. In this I am just shut down my docker compose, right? So this is the after shoot and before shoot. I have put here before after test. So what my code will run, it will run firstly before shoot, then it will launch my docker selenium grid, then all the test cases has been executed. After that it will shut my driver.quit, and after that it will shut down my docker run system. So all these things will be done by automatically by using Jenkins. So if I will go with run terminal command, so I'm going to show you the code. So this is the code. I'm create a new test case, new class which is a common method, and in this class I have created a new method which is run terminal method. In this run terminal method I am passing two arguments. First is command and second is long text. So in this I'm using path. So I will get a current directory path which I am passing here. So this is the process builder. By using process builder I am running my command on command terminal because I'm using a window, right? So here I'm getting all the terminals output, and I'm doing running. So if that log text contains that, then I will break the loop. So I am not going to take any hard code. I will read the console, and then if I will get for the running setup, if I will get register or node, then I will break my loop, right? So same thing I am doing for the shutdown compose. So if removing selenium hub is read by console, then I am breaking. So this is the code. By using this code I am just hitting terminal and run my command which is useful to run docker in selenium grid in docker, and just shut downing the selenium grid in docker, right? So I will put this after shoot and before shoot in this two tags, right? So after that I also put some changes in POM. So in this POM, what I do, I have put a build, and in build we have two plugin. One plugin for compiling, Maven compiler plugin, and another for the running testng suite. So I have given testng path where my testng.xml XML is put. So you can see my testsuite.testng.xml is in this directory. So I have given the path of this directory, right? So this is the way how we can run all the things by automatically without any interact of human being, right? So firstly I will create with run this test manually, then I will run this test by using Jenkins. So I'm doing testng.xml. I am running two test parallel, for one test on Chrome and second test for Firefox. For Chrome I am launching google.com and get the title, and for Firefox I am launching Facebook and get the current title. So what I am do, I'm just go and take this where my this form.xml is put. So I will open that, and after that I will open command cmd, and here I put mvn test, and we'll see whether it will run automatically or not, right? So you can see all the build is running. Let me it is taking time and it is running the set test suite. So firstly it will launch the Docker grid automatically without any interaction, and after that it will run my test suite, which is open google.com and facebook.com. After that it will shut down my test suite. So you can see my node has been created. So my test suite has been my Docker has been up. Now it will running the test suite. So if I go and check Docker ps, then you can see my three containers are running on Docker, right? And if I go back, you can see Facebook and google.com is successfully display. So if again I will go and check Docker ps, then you can see there is no container is running. So it is all do by the automatically. Now we will see how we can do by Jenkins. So I open my local Jenkins here, and in this I am creating a new job, test Docker, and I will take freestyle project. So in freestyle project I will configure my Maven setup and press OK. After that I'm using source code management none, because I'm not using any version control, git or other things. Guys, if you do not have any idea for Jenkins, you can watch my Jenkins series. In that series I have explained each and every step more details. So my current system is Windows batch command, so I'm using my current system is Windows, so I'm using Windows batch command. Firstly I'm using dir to see whether my Jenkins job is set up correctly or not, and I will run this job by clicking build now, and if I click, then I will get my build is passed and it is successfully set up. So I copy the build master in workspace, the workspace in in which my Jenkins job has been created. So I just go and copy, open this. Now as I do not use any version control, so manually I have to copy my all the code under workspace dash docker job. If you are using any version control, so you do not need to do this thing. You just select which if you are using subversion, then you will get subversion. If you are using Git, then you can select Git version. As I am using none, so I do not select any version. And for this thing, you can watch my Jenkins series, and here I will use MV and Maven and test. Then I will apply and save. Now I will again go and check whether any container is running currently or not. So you can see there is no container is running currently. I will go and press build now button. So you can see my job is start successfully. Now we will see whether it will up my selenium grid in containers, and will run the test cases which we have to run. So it start running my test cases. So now currently it will up my Docker grid. So it takes some time to up it. So now we are not doing anything manually. We have to do all the things automatically by using Jenkins. So it will be very useful when we build our night build. So you can see my Docker grid is up in container. If I press, then you can see the 3 container is up. Now it will run the test cases. You can see first test cases has been run successfully, opening in the Chrome and Google. Second will opening in the Firefox and Facebook.com. So now second test case is running. You can see second test case has been run successfully, opening in the Firefox and Facebook. Title it will print. It has been printed. So now you can see it close, and we will again see whether my up container is shut down or not. So you can see all the up container has been shut down, and my test case is pass and build is successfully. So in this way we can use or integrate Jenkins with Selenium grid and using Docker, and it is a very powerful combination. We can integrate our builds with Jenkins, and so that we can do it we can use Jenkins in nightly build or schedule a particular time, and we do the regression testing but we need to run. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.